Warning, you will be asked again and again to make this amazing, super moist, delicious, milky lettuce cake in all the family parties and gathering. So let's get started. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you all are doing good and we are good too, alhamdulillah. And today we are making this amazing and super easy moist lettuce cake. To make this cake we need a box cake. You can go for the yellow one, the vanilla one, but you can use any kind of cake you like, chocolate cake, vanilla cake, whatever you like. Here I'm using the one with the sprinkle because I'm making it for the party and the sprinkles are good and everything. So here I'm making it according to packet instruction, which is I cracked 3 eggs, half cup of oil, and then half cup of milk. After that we are going to whisk everything together until a homogeneous mixture is formed. And yes, if you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and leave a comment for me because I am making videos of about almost everything. It's related to religious videos as well as cooking videos and daily vlogging, and inshallah you will not regret subscribing my channel. Once you are done mixing everything, then you pour it into the baking dish and bake it according to packet instruction. I think I baked it for about 25 to 30 minutes on 180. What I am doing, I take a bowl and in the bowl I add the whole can of condensed milk. Super delicious condensed milk, super tasty. Who doesn't love condensed milk? And then I'm using the same can as a measuring cup and I'm taking the same amount of whole milk in there. So I pour the whole milk in the can and then in my bowl, and then this one is evaporated milk, the one that we use for the tea, and then we are going to mix it as well. So this is Leches cake, which means 3 milk cake. So here we combine 3 milks together, whisk them well. Once you are done mixing all these 3 milk together, trust me, I'm telling you, this cake is going to be super delicious, super moist, and everyone will love it in your family. Okay, so once you are done mixing this 3 milk together, then we are going to whip the whipping cream. I'm taking here 2 small packets of whipping cream. You can use whipping cream as much as you like. There is no measurement. Okay, so here I'm taking whipping cream and then I'm adding in there powdered sugar around according to your taste, and then whip it until the peaks are formed. And just look, this part is so satisfying when you're whipping the whipping cream and it puff up. Oh my god, it's so satisfying, mashallah. It's done here and my cake is also ready. Look how beautiful it is. It's golden brown and you can see the sprinkle, they're see-through, right? Like blue, pink, white. Anyhow, I'm going to poke the holes once it comes to room temperature, not too hot. Okay, so once it's in room temperature, it's a little warm, then I'm going to poke the holes in my cake. Okay, so once it's done, now I'm going to pour the whole milk mixture, 3 milk mixture on my cake. See, look at this, how satisfying it is, mashallah. Look, you need to try this. I'm telling you people, you need to try this. It's the easiest cake and it's going to be a hit in your family. Now leave the cake to rest for about 1 or 2 hours in the fridge, and after that we are going to add the cold whipping cream on the cold cake. The cake should be cold now, otherwise the whipping cream will melt. So here it is. Look, mashallah, how delicious and smooth it is, how silky our whipping cream is and how cloudy it is. So just spread it nicely and try to spread it evenly and nicely as much as you can. Okay, so lettuce cake goes perfect with the berries. So I am decorating it with the slices of strawberries. And look how beautiful it looks, mashallah. And it's done. Enjoy it cold. Put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours before you serve it. I hope you like my little recipe. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.